and Gray has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Carroll County in northern New Hampshire until 10:45 p.m. At 7:44 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen.
Got it.
Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Ossipee, Alton, Wilkesboro, and Tuftonboro. Highest amounts up to 3 inches have been measured in northern Wilkesboro. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WMG 575.